Hello dear friends. We welcome you to our channel. Today we present you ideas of stylish fashion haircuts for a holiday for different hair volumes. Watch the PCH review to the end, and can look at yourself for the most gorgeous haircut for yourself. Festive women's haircuts have always been topical. They have a lot of advantages, from brown to incredible solutions, from ponytail to straight part, wetted hair effect, or retro buck, different variations of bob with hair jewelry, as well as fashionable hair color. Pitches. The cutest fashion trend in the season is thin braids. This is a pair of thin braids that frame the face, in the spirit of the 90s, or a minimalistic braid tightly braided with a cord, and also, a lot of afro braids. Wet hair effect. Fashionable women's hairstyles with the effect of wet hair are in trend almost always. Today, styling with the creation of the effect of wet hair, which affects only part of the hair, is in fashion. This styling looks great on hair of any structure and length, even if it is short and straight hair. Partially wet hair is when not all strands look wet, but only some of them or only the tips. Bean. Bob is still the most popular of the trendy haircuts. A whole bouquet of perfect beans was offered this season. For many years, bob has not lost popularity among girls and women of all ages. Constantly changing and improving, it looks spectacular on any length of hair and fits almost all face shapes. Today, masters distinguish many varieties of popular haircuts. From classic to graduation and asymmetry, everyone will like it. In our video we are trying to offer you a wide variety of different haircuts and hairstyles. Subscribe to our channel, like and hit the bell so you don't miss news. In holiday haircut, long strands, casual styling, and side parting make the haircut more modern and give it a stylish touch. The brave can radically change the image. Bob haircut is universal, meets modern trends, and fits any face shape. In addition, on its basis, you can create a number of interesting styling, suitable for many images, including business, romantic, playful, retro. A hairstyle with short bangs or without it at all is possible. To create a creative bright image, but also due to the variety of this fashionable hairstyle, choose the most suitable option. Bundle. The bundle may be different. It can be sloppy, tall, or flawless. But no matter which one you choose, it will be fashionable anyway. Haircut and hair ideas for holidays offered to you, you can consider as an option that will make your look more unique and festive. Look stylish, unusual, and even creative. Dear beauties, we wish you beauty and happiness. Love yourself and take care of yourself, because it is one life. We hope the video review is useful to you. The best thanks for you is to subscribe, like, and share the video with friends and family. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Up to now, seeing.